Hello everybody. Welcome to a new exciting journey through time.
Hello everybody. Welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to set up a business in Malaysia and stay permanently with your family, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will discuss how you can easily set up a 100% foreign-owned Labuan international company and obtain a work permit for the director of the company, allowing you to live, work not only in Labuan but also in mainland Malaysia. Before diving into the benefits and requirements of this process, let's first know a few things about Labuan. Labuan is a small island off the coast of Borneo, Malaysia, known for its beautiful beaches, rich history, and vibrant offshore financial services. Located around 30 minutes from the capital, Kuala Lumpur, it offers a relaxing gateway from city life. Visitors can explore historical sites like the Labuan War Memorial, the Peace Park, and the Labuan Marine Museum. The island is also famous for its diving sports, especially around the wrecks of World War II ships. Labuan's tax-free status makes it a popular destination for business and leisure alike, with plenty of activities for both relaxation and adventure. Let's now find out what are the benefits of setting up a Labuan company. 100% foreign ownership. 3% tax regime for trading businesses. Tax exemption on shareholder dividends. No restrictions on mainland Malaysia transactions. Permitted to easily travel and hold meetings across Southeast Asia. Whether you are operating a trading business, asset management, or business consulting, Labuan offers flexibility and tax advantages, making it an attractive place to base your businesses. Now let's talk about how the Labuan Director Work Permit process works. As a work permit holder, you can stay and work in Labuan and mainland Malaysia. The great news is that you can even obtain a work permit for a non-trading company aimed at asset management or business consulting. Now let's quickly understand what are the key benefits of the Labuan work permit. Stay and work in Labuan and mainland Malaysia. No restrictions on business travel. Easy work permit renewal every 2 years. Dividend tax exemption. Ability to open a personal bank account in Malaysia. To apply for the Labuan Director Work Permit, there are few important requirements you need to meet. Number 1, minimum monthly salary. The company must declare a minimum monthly salary of 10,000 Malaysian ringgit for the work permit holder. This salary is taxable and the tax rate varies based on residency status. Number 2, you should have a business plan. Your company needs to have a solid business plan, including objectives, target markets, an organization chart, products or services offered, and financial projections for at least 3 years. Number 3, operational office. Before submitting the application, your company must have an operational office. A renewed rental agreement will be required when renewing your work permit for 2 years. Number 4, professional reference letters. Each applicant needs to submit 2 reference letters from professional bodies to support the application. Number 5, passport and educational documents. You will also need to provide certified true copies of your latest passport, education certificates, a personal resume, and 4 passport size photos with a white background. Now let's understand how to renew the work permit. To renew your work permit, you will need to submit your latest income tax form, EA, proof of payment, and the last 3 months pay slips. Be sure to submit your renewal application at least 6 months before the expiration date to avoid delays. Now everyone will be eagerly waiting to understand what is the cost related to it. Different consultancies may charge different amounts, but anything in the range of 7,000 to 10,000 USD, you must take it into account for complete process. Conclusion. So if you are looking to start a business in Malaysia, gain residency and bring your family along, setting up a Labuan company with a director work permit is one of the fastest and most efficient ways to do so. With a simple application process and long-term benefits, it's an opportunity worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content on business and investment opportunities. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Infinamad TV.